In Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, the terms journal and ledger refer to distinct but connected elements of the accounting process. Understanding their roles and origins will help you follow the workflow in D365 and grasp how transactions move through the system. What is a journal in D365? A journal is a detailed chronological record of individual financial transactions as they occur. In D365, journals are used to enter, review, and approve transactions before they are posted to the ledger. Journals serve as the first point of entry for transactions such as sales, purchases, payments, or adjustments. Each journal entry specifies the accounts affected, the amounts debited and credited, the date, and a description of the transaction. D365 supports various journal types like general, payment, allocation, approval, vendor, customer, and fixed asset journals. Each is designed for specific business processes. Transactions are created and reviewed in journals. Once approved, sometimes via workflow, they are posted, which updates the ledger. What is a ledger in D365? The ledger is the central accounting record that summarizes all posted transactions for an organization. In D365, the general ledger holds the balances and histories for all accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. The ledger aggregates information from all journals and subledgers, providing a complete, organized view of the company's financial position. It is the foundation for financial statements and regulatory reporting. Ledgers are organized by account and not by date. Each account in the ledger shows a running balance and all transactions affecting it, sourced from posted journal entries. Workflow in D365, how journals and the ledger connect. First, transaction initiation. A financial event, such as an invoice, payment, or adjustment, is entered as a journal entry in D365. Then, review and approval. The journal entry may go through an approval workflow, ensuring accuracy and authorization before posting. Transaction initiation. A financial event, like an invoice, payment, or adjustment, is entered as a journal entry in D365. Review and approval. The journal entry may go through an approval workflow, ensuring accuracy and authorization before posting. So, posting. Once approved, the journal is posted. This process moves the detailed transaction from the journal to the appropriate accounts in the ledger, updating balances. Next, we have the ledger update. The ledger now reflects the summarized account level effect of the transaction. This data is used for financial reporting and analysis. The origins of the term journal. The word journal comes from the Old French journal, meaning daily, which itself is from the Latin diurnalis, of the day, and diurnus, day, reflecting the daily recording of transactions. Traditionally, a journal was a book where transactions were first recorded by date before being transferred to the ledger. Now let's talk about the ledger. The word ledger comes from Middle English, originally meaning a book that lies permanently in a place, from the verb legen, to lay, place. The commercial or accounting sense, book of accounts, dates back to the 16th century. The ledger is the permanent organized record of all accounts, summarizing the information first entered in journals. Here's a summary table comparing the journal and the ledger. The journal is for the initial detailed entry of transactions, while the ledger is a summarized, organized record of all accounts. The journal is organized chronologically by date, whereas the ledger is organized by account with running balances. In D365, the journal is used for entry, review, approval, and posting stages, while the ledger serves as the central record for reporting and analysis. The journal originates from Latin and French terms for daily record, whereas the ledger comes from Middle English for permanent book. And now, the key takeaway for D365 workflow. Journals are where you create and approve transactions. The ledger is where those transactions live permanently after posting, organized by account for financial reporting. Understanding this flow from journal entry to ledger update is fundamental to mastering financial processes in D365.